Back here at the Jeep, silver Jeep. Just got my third brake light. Here's the original one. Looks like it's just gonna be 2 screws, which this is missing one. And if you look, it's in pretty bad shape. So here's the new kit. Looks like it's some 3M. I don't know. These look like little washers or something. I don't know what they are. And there's that. I got the black one. They also make a red one, kind of like in that picture. It also says right here that they recommend taking out the old stock water sprayer and installing it on the new one. So this is the one I just took out of the new one. And you can see it has a bit of different of a sprayer, and people in the comments were just saying it sucked. So go ahead and do that. And the way that this comes out is these two will clamp in, so you just get you a flat head, and I just squeezed one, pushed it up, squeezed in the other one, and it came right out. So we'll get this. I also comes with this little sealer right here, so I went ahead and put the new sealer on the old one. So we'll go ahead and put that on the new one now. Alright, there it is, all ready to go. I'm gonna use my new screws and get this 3M up here. And then we're just gonna attach this back up, and then our hose. Ready to go. Here's the fit, and I guess this screw over here is stripped. No matter what I do, it's not going, so that'll probably fall out. But it looks pretty good. We'll see what it looks like lit up. Here's what it looks like. All right, thank you.